Turn towards me for a little bit. Oh, it's too hot. It's too hot for TV. It's okay if I talk?
No.
I'm about to voice over this one. Stupid striations right now.
I'm gonna drop such a cute video.
Yeah, because I got nothing to do.
I need to trade weights for her. And she needs to be 10.
Look at Nick Bennett. Not only is he training himself, he's training others.
That's right.
What a beautiful multitasker.
Oh, that's it. We're good.
We don't believe in 2.5s, right?
No 2.5s.
No 2.5?
Hamburger